Welcome to Squid Game. Here is the first game. You will be playing red light, green light. You are allowed to move forward when it shouts out green light, stop when it shouts out red light. If your movement is detected afterwards, you will be eliminated. Green light. Red light. Player 5, you are eliminated. Green light. Red light. Green light. Player 1, 2, 3, and 4, you pass. Players, welcome to the second game. Before the game begin, choose one of the 4 cases. Once you have chosen the shape, please stand near it. The second game is sugar honeycomb. The shape you have chosen is the shape you must remove from the honeycomb. If you break the shape, you will be eliminated. Time limit is 2 minutes. With that, let the game begin. Player 4, you pass. Player 1, you pass. Player 4, you pass. Player 2, you are eliminated. Welcome players to the third game. Before we begin, choose one of the cards. The stepping stones before you are made from one of the 2 types of glasses. One is tempered glass and other, normal glass. If you step on the tempered glass, you will be safe, but if you step on the normal glass you will be eliminated. The number you have chosen is the order in which you will play this game. We have prepared a special gift for you. Today's game is tug of war. In order to win, you must pull the rope towards your platform and drop the opponent down below. have won Squid Game. Congratulations! Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next Squid Game.